I would like to thank to all of you to call me here for say something about the Salah. And before say anything, I would like to read Darood Sharif on Aqa'i Namdar Faqr Mawjudat Malik Kainat Sallallahu Ta'ala Alaihi Wasallam. And you all read with me. Let's read Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin sallallahu ala Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam. First of all, I would tell you the importance of the namaz. I would tell you the importance of the namaz. Namaz is only way to communicate with Allah. If we want to talk to Allah, if we want to communicate with Allah, then we have to perform the namaz. Before the namaz, if we can communicate with Allah, is not the better than the namaz. If we want to talk to Allah, as-salat, Aqa'i Namdar Faqr Mawjudat Sallallahu Ta'ala Alaihi Wasallam also said, as-salatu mirajul mu'minin, means that namaz is the miraj of mu'minin. Namaz is the miraj of mu'minin. If we want to talk to Allah, so we have to perform the namaz. And namaz is only way to worship of Allah. Besides of the namaz, there is not any religion then perform the namaz. So we should understand the value of it. We should understand the value of it. What is the value of namaz? Value of namaz, if we want to understand that there is not in any religion, there is not in any religion besides of the Islam, besides of the Muslims. So namaz is the key of the heaven. Key of the heaven means namaz jannat ki kunji hai. Namaz is the key of the heaven. If I am giving to you the several type of examples, if I have the key of this room, if I have the key of this room, we can enter very easily in the room. If I have the key of this room, we can enter very easily in this room. If we don't have the key of this room, we can't enter in this room. So if we want to enter the heaven, everyone wants to enter the heaven. Who wants to enter the heaven? Hands up. कौन जन्नत में जाना चाहता है? आप लोगों में से जो जाना चाहता है वो अपने हाथ उठाइए. Everyone wants to enter the heaven. So what should we do? We have to perform the namaz. Okay? Because who said the key of the heaven? Aqa'i Namdar Faqr Mawjudat Sallallahu Ta'ala Alaihi Wasallam said the namaz is key of the heaven. So we should perform the namaz, then we can enter the heaven. Namaz, there are many benefits in the namaz. Our body digestion system will be perfect when we perform it. So digestion system of our body will be perfect. दुरुस्त हो जाएगा. डाइजेशन सिस्टम जो हाजमे का होता है वो आपका दुरुस्त हो जाएगा. When we will do the sajda, the blood circulation of our whole body, जो खून का दौरान होता है, the blood circulation of our whole body will be regular. जो अगर कहीं से चल नहीं रहा है तो वो रेगुलर चलने लगेगा जब आप सजदा करते हैं. So there are many benefits in the namaz. The blood circulation of our whole body and the digestion system of our body, the cleanliness of our body. Several type of benefits in namaz. So namaz is compulsory for everyone. If he is lady, if he is man or woman, everyone. Namaz is compulsory on everyone, daily 5 times in a day. If we are ill, this is the situation I am giving to you the situation. If we are ill, we can't stand. हम खड़े नहीं हो सकते, बीमार हैं. We can't stand, so we can perform it in sitting position. If we can't sit, हम बैठ नहीं सकते, so we can perform it in laying position. If we can't lay, so we can perform it by the indication. हम इशारे तक से नमाज पढ़ सकते हैं. अल्लाह की इजाज़त. In every situation we can't leave it. Every situation, besides of the शरई excuse. If हमें कोई शरई excuse है, शरई उज़्र है, उसके अलावा वी कांट लीव इट इन एवरी सिचुएशन, हम इसको छोड़ नहीं सकते, ये हमारे ऊपर माफ नहीं है. So in every situation, besides of the Shari excuse, we can't leave it. So we should understand the value of it about these situations. That in every situation, it is the compulsory of every Muslim, who is man or woman, everyone. So I will pray to Allah that Allah will give the ability to everyone who perform the namaz in every situation. And Wa akhiru dawana anil hamdulillahi rabbil alamin.